Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular home treadmills based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Today we're comparing the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 electric treadmill and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill to see which one might be the best fit for your at-home workouts. When it comes to the heart of the machine, the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 electric treadmill features a 2.25 HP motor and is praised for its quiet operation, making it a great choice for apartment dwellers or those with sleeping roommates. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill boasts a slightly more powerful 2.5 HP brushless motor and operates quietly at 40 to 65 decibels, making it slightly quieter than the GOYOUTH. Both treadmills offer a peaceful workout experience, ensuring you won't become the bane of your neighbors. The GOYOUTH treadmill dazzles with its versatile features, including a multifunction display, Bluetooth speakers, and a remote control, making it a highly convenient option for the tech-savvy user. The Cursor Fitness treadmill, however, steps up the game with real-time heart rate tracking via handrail sensors and a digital LED console with 12 preset programs, offering a more interactive and customized workout experience. Both treadmills cater to those who appreciate technological enhancements in their workout gear. When considering long-term commitment, the GOYOUTH treadmill offers a 1-year warranty, which might be sufficient for casual users. However, the Cursor Fitness treadmill promises a more robust commitment with a 5-year warranty on the frame and dedicated customer service, making it a better option for those seeking long-term reliability and support. Online reviews highlight the GOYOUTH treadmill as easy to use, quiet, and stable, with some users noting issues with the auto shut-off feature and inaccurate distance tracking. The Cursor Fitness treadmill receives praise for being compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, with some users experiencing issues with initial product quality but overall satisfaction with customer service and functionality. That wraps up our comparison of the GOYOUTH 2-in-1 electric treadmill and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill. Which one caught your eye? Do you prefer the quiet and versatile features of the GOYOUTH, or does the interactive tech and long-term commitment of the Cursor Fitness better suit your workout needs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your preference and why. Check out the product links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.